Hey, so picture this. You're stuck in traffic, late for a meeting, your phone is buzzing with notifications, and you feel that stress building up, right? Now, what if I told you there was a way to find calm without doing much of anything at all? Okay, stick with me here because by the end of this video, I'm going to leave you with a simple, powerful technique straight from Taoism that can help you chill out, even when everything around you feels like chaos. We're going to dive into three quick things today. What is this thing called Wu Wei anyway? How can it help you stop stressing in the moment? What is one super simple move you can start doing right now? To begin with, what's Wu Wei all about anyway? All right, so Wu Wei literally means doing without doing. Well, hold up. It doesn't mean sitting there doing nothing. It's more like finding the flow and going with it. Think of a river floating around a rock. It doesn't stop. It just keeps moving, finding the easiest way forward. Now, why should you care? Because we're all constantly told to hustle, hustle hard, push through, keep grinding. But sometimes the real power comes in knowing when to just pause, chill, and just let things unfold naturally. Now, how do you use Wu Wei to chill out? Let's get real. You're at your desk, emails are stacking up, deadlines are breaking your neck. Your usual response, panic mode, tense shoulders. You're trying to power through. But now what if you did the opposite? Just stop, take a breath, drop your shoulders, let your body relax. That's Wu Wei right there. It's not fighting stress, it's flowing with it. Feeling that next easy step without forcing. It's about letting go of the need to control everything. Now, try this simple exercise. Okay, now let's put this into action. Wherever you are, just sit or stand comfortably. Close your eyes for a second. Take a deep breath in and exhale and just let everything soften. Imagine your water flowing around obstacles. Inhale, exhale. Let the body loosen up with the breath. You'll begin to feel your heart rate slow down, your mind will start to chill, and that's Wu Wei. You can do this anytime you're feeling overwhelmed. Just find a little pocket of peace, even in the middle of all that mess. In sum, Wu Wei isn't about just doing nothing. It's about flowing with what comes. Use it to handle stress in a whole new way and practice it with simple breathing exercise to find calm in any situation. Now, here's what I want you to try today. Next time you're feeling stressed, just pause, breathe, and let yourself flow like water. See how things change a little bit. Drop me a comment below and let me know how it goes. And remember our little thought experiment at the beginning. The world might keep rushing around you, but you can find a calm center no matter what it's like. As Lao Tzu said, the mind is still. The whole universe surrenders. Stay inspired, stay calm, and keep flowing.